I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
You see this, right? Like everyone comes to Bitcoin, they come at it from a different angle, from a different perspective, right? In the case of Greg Foss, it was 35 years in a wrist chair, right? But all roads lead to the same place, right? And the beauty of it is that everyone kind of contributes to what their strengths are, right? So like, obviously, you and me, Ben, like we're content creators, right? That's what we do. Jason is writing amazing books. And then of course, David Bailey, basically the CEO behind Bitcoin Magazine and the Bitcoin conference, right? So it's all very unique contributions. And I think that we're just playing on our strengths. Like this is, how we got into this space. But what's awesome about Bitcoin, and I can't emphasize this enough, and I don't hear a lot of people talking about it enough, which is the idea that the incentives are aligned, right? So like me just working, creating content, Ben, you creating content, Jason, David, we're all kind of contributing to each other. We're just making it stronger. And to kind of go back to the educational videos for a sec, I think that's crucial, right? I say this all the time. I think we're in this like narrative trench warfare on the battlegrounds of the internet. It's not left versus right. It's not red versus blue. It's orange versus green, right? And we need as many people on our side really trying to break through the Bitcoin echo chamber and really get the message out there. It's like, look, guys, it's not the opposing political party that is causing your economic woes. It's literally that the money is broken, and I think that we're finally starting to see that. I was incredibly bullish when the Bitcoin conference made the announcement that Robert Kennedy Jr. was going to be speaking there. That's absolutely massive. That is the second person behind trailing Joe Biden for the Democratic primary. And there's a non-zero chance that we might have someone who's pro Bitcoin in the White House in 2024. So this is what it's all about. I think we're all on the same side. We're just fighting in different trenches, but we're all trying to reach the end goal, which is hyper-Bitcoinization and freeing the world from the tyranny of central banking in the process.